This is Marcel Brown, the most trusted name in technology, coming at you with today's tech history for February 21st. On February 21st, 1893, Thomas Edison receives 3 U.S. patents, 2 of which are, in essence, the first light switches. On February 21st, 1858, the very first electrical burglar alarm is installed by inventor Edwin T. Holmes in Boston, Massachusetts. It was a very simple system that rang a bell if a door or window was opened. On February 21st, 1878, the first telephone book was issued in New Haven, Connecticut by the New Haven Telephone Company. It listed a whopping 21 names. That's it for today's tech history, and if you want more, tune in tomorrow or visit my blog, thisdayintechhistory.com.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.